Oh, Lauren's got a great question here. She's like, how can I take the job that I have today that's given me the skills I have today and apply it towards the professional film industry? So I want to go over some of the things that the film industry is looking for, and you will see very clearly that you're already got these skills and that you can point these out and it'll be very true. The first thing is being a self-starter. So if you're working with your own schedule, which it looks like you are, you're given a project, you're figuring out how to best efficiently handle that project, that's being a self-starter. If you're working with people and helping give them solutions, providing solutions, that's solution-minded, okay? And if you're dealing with office work, which you're a case manager and you've got office management skills, absolutely. Instead of using words that you think sound good, like inclusive partner or advocate for individuals, I don't know what that means. Instead, what you should do is you should say, I'm currently working as a case manager, and that requires me to be a self-starter, and give them an example. That also requires that I'm very good at paperwork in the office, and that we need to fill out these case reports and do it accurately and on time. So self-starter, being solution-minded, being good at paperwork and getting it done correctly, accurately, and on time, working with groups of people, having a positive attitude and a cheerful demeanor, all very good for the film industry. Okay, so those are the things that I would point to, and I would think that pretty much most people can point to all of those things in their job. You know, whether you're working fast food, you have to have a cheerful demeanor, you have to be task-orientated and solution-minded, you're good at working with people, maybe you're good on the phone, maybe you're very good at completing paperwork properly and on time. All these things are the same, so you can use these pretty much universally with almost any job. Okay, so a very good question. Thank you so much and congratulations.